Do you remember the blizzard of '93? It was caused by a storm over the Gulf of Mexico on March 12, 1993. It stretched from Canada to Honduras. It was classified as a Category 5 extreme winter storm. Damages reached $5.5 billion and there were 318 deaths. This storm brought 50 inches of snow to Mount Mitchell and 93-mile-per-hour winds to North Carolina. The storm ended 2 days later on March 14, 1993. 300,000 homes were left without power and over 160,000 people were left snowbound by the storm. The wind chill was colder than -20 degrees, and we haven't before or since then been paralyzed by a storm like this.